Alright, so this is what the room looks like when you walk in. Hi guys, long time no see. Last week I didn't post a video because it was my birthday. I'm really excited to reveal the bedroom design to you guys that I've been working on for my apartment. There are still a few little DIYs that I want to do before I do a full apartment reveal, which will be in the next couple of weeks, which I'm really excited about. But I'm just really excited to get out of my apartment and start working on some other people's places now that I'm fully vaccinated. I have some really exciting things coming for all of my socials very soon, so make sure to follow me so you don't miss them. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so here are our supplies. We are just removing the outlets and then we're gonna tape off the baseboard. I'm gonna make a fun transition for when it's ready to go in 3, 2, 1. Bam! So I went through a lot to decide what wall color to do, and I initially wanted to do the burnt orange that's in the living room because it's my favorite, but then I used it on the hardware, so that would be too much. And then I wanted to do green, but there's already so much green and we have so many plants, and then I was like yellow, but then it would blend in too much with the dresser, so we're painting the wall black. I don't know if anyone else can relate, but I just like really love the smell of paint. This is the definition of art. Very good. I will indeed receive hate mail for painting my wall black, but I'm ready. Okay, so I got these lights. They're from the brand, hold on, I'm not even gonna try
Shakev
to pronounce it. I saw a girl make a TikTok with these and I'll put her username in. But basically these are pool lights and then she used them in her bedroom. So I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm going to turn it into a light fixture. So these are what the lights look like. They're little orbs, and then it just looks like that and you can hang it. So I got this wooden dowel from the hardware store. It was a couple dollars, and then I just got a few different kinds of white string / rope, and that's all you need. Okay, so it comes with this little remote, which is awesome because then you can just turn it on and off wherever. I'm obsessed. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add all of these little pins to the back of all of them so we can hang them, and I'm going to quite literally just tie the balls to the string, and I'm gonna cut off the excess as well so it's clean. And then I'm just tying it to the dowel, and then I'm gonna cut off the excess, and there you have it. And then I'm going to do that same thing to all of the balls. So this is what it looks like after we tied them all on at different lengths, and now I'm going to use this thicker cord to hang it up. And so this is what it turned out like after we hung it up in a bunch of very questionable ways, and you can change the color of it too, which is really fun. And yeah. Alright, so this is what the room looks like when you walk in. The room is a little bit more bohemian than the other rooms in our apartment just because of the different textures and plants and such. On the left side of our room are the closets, and there's nothing special about them, but we did switch out the hardware to these ones from Amazon. This beautiful rug is from Ruggable, and yes, it's on top of a carpet. I get questions about that all of the time, but I definitely recommend it. It really helps to add some color to the room. Our bedding is from IKEA, and I'm actually thinking about getting new bedding because I really just don't like how it shows the lines on the duvet underneath. Oh my goodness. Okay, this throw blanket is from Target. Our bedside tables are also from Target, but I got the hardware off of Amazon and we just added it on top. And these lamps are also from Target, and then the little coasters are also from Target. So yeah, a lot of Target. The paint that we used to make this arch is from PPG. I'll leave the name on the screen because I don't remember, but that was also a DIY that I posted on all of my social medias if you're interested. Our throw pillows are also from Target, and the bed was actually a DIY. Dylan made it himself a couple years ago. And then this is my bedside table, so I just have the matching lamp and everything. Dylan actually got me that little tray. I don't know where he got it from, but I like it because it keeps Piper from knocking my stuff off of the bedside table, contrary to what she's currently doing. This is where Piper sleeps. She sleeps here every night, and she also loves to be there all day as well. I think she's not right now because I closed the window, but we got this bed for her from Five Below, and we've gotten a lot of beds for her, but this is the only one that has stuck. And then her fake plant, I believe, is from Lowe's. And then moving on, this fake plant is from Michael's, I believe, and then the pot that it's in is from Target. And then the little cactus I've had for years, so I don't know where it's from. But this big fake plant is actually from Amazon. I had to order it because we used to have real plants in here, but this little one realized that they were fun to play with. So the pot that this plant is in is also from Target. This cat bed, she actually uses it sometimes, believe it or not. It is from Marshall's. And then this dresser is from IKEA, and the hardware that's on it I actually made myself. The paint that I used for this wall is also from PPG. It's in the shade Starless Sky. And the paint that I used for the hardware is also from PPG. This circle mirror I got a few years ago from Marshall's, and that full-length mirror I got from Walmart. These are just an assortment of different like vases and things. This one I thrifted and I painted it. This one Dylan made for me when he was in a ceramics class. These two are from IKEA, and then that one I don't remember. I've had it for so long. This little hand I use to put my rings on when I'm not wearing them, and that was from Amazon. And this little container that's made of stone was thrifted. This necklace holder was also thrifted, but when I thrifted it on TikTok, people said it's from Amazon, so if you're wondering where to get it. This candle was just a regular candle that was from Walmart, I believe, and I upcycled it using my Cricut. And then this light is from IKEA, and it was really great. It was only $12.99, which is really good for a lamp. And then last but not least is this light fixture that I made. I made it out of these pool lights that I got off of Amazon. You can't see them really well right now because it's daytime, but at nighttime they're amazing, and I'll show that in the B-roll. But literally the coolest light fixture I think I've ever made, and it was like less than $40, so definitely check it out. So yeah, that is basically everything that's happening in here. It's kind of minimal compared to other rooms, but I like that for a bedroom space. It has the little pops of color, and I just love it so much. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like this kind of content, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to keep making things like this. Make sure to comment down below what your favorite part of my bedroom was. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all next week for a brand new video. Bye guys.